Hey, what's up guys? And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and buy crypto on Robinhood, guys. So basically, this is a pretty simple and easy process to actually go ahead and do, but if you're fairly new to the whole platform and stuff, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This also applies to stocks as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. What you're going to go ahead and want to do is you're going to want to head over to the crypto or the stock you're going to want to go ahead and buy. So basically right now, I'm going to go ahead and buy some Dogecoin right here. So you guys can see this is the Dogecoin, whatever. It's going to be a buy button right here. Now, if you actually have, the Dogecoin, I believe there's going to be a button to also sell here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the buy, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the dollars. So you can see right here, I have $1. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and swipe up to confirm my order, so you guys can see the order is actually sending and it has actually been completed as an order. So basically the whole order thing is actually done, and basically you can actually have the sell button now. Let's say you want to go ahead and store it into a cold storage wallet, maybe like a Ledger or something. Here you can actually send the crypto, but right now I can't actually share it because I actually have screen sharing on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful, and if you guys liked it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your opinion on today's video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.